Hi, James and Amrita from Fine and Country, and you've joined us in the heart of Warwick today, where we've got this absolutely beautiful townhouse with a 2-bedroom cottage.
This home has been completely renovated to a fantastic standard. So many period features throughout. Let's take a look around.
You've joined us at the rear of the townhouse where we have this absolutely beautiful garden. It really is a sun trap and it's a good size. And we've got this 2-bedroom cottage here.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. Please do get in touch if you would like to arrange a viewing or for more information. Thank you for watching.